Welcome to Online Divorce Lawyer. I hope you've been watching our previous videos which set out the 4 basic steps for a family law property settlement, and step number 1, which is ascertaining your assets and liabilities. In this video we're going to be covering the second step, which is looking at the contributions that each of the parties have made. There's a financial contribution, which is the earnings of each of the parties, either through employment or through a business. There may be lump sums that have come into the relationship, such as personal injury claims and inheritance, something like that. It does depend on what that lump sum was used for. It will have more value if it's been used to pay off a mortgage, or perhaps some renovations or a deposit for an investment property, rather than if it was just used for a nice holiday or something like that. If it's been used to increase the assets of the parties, it does carry a lot more weight. Not only the financial contributions are taken into consideration, but the non-financial contributions, and that's the personal efforts that each of the parties have put into maintaining their assets. So it's the role of parenting, maintaining a property, things like that. If there is a long relationship or a long marriage, sometimes there's no adjustment, it's just a 50-50 split. So if it's a long marriage of say 20 years, one person may have made a greater financial contribution and the other a greater non-financial contribution. So it will be a 50-50 division, and it will probably be difficult to argue about that. So thank you for watching the second step. We invite you to join us for the third step, which is looking at whether one party has a greater future need than the other. See you soon.